Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm making a custom wig using 3 bundles and a frontal. My client actually brought this hair. I'm not sure where she got it from, but so far so good. She actually dyed it by herself. She dyed it jet black. So far so good. Okay, so right now what I'm actually doing is I'm sewing down the frontal before I actually start sewing down the back. So I like to do my frontals first just so I can know how much hair am I gonna need or where my frontal will actually stop at. Okay guys, so I'm done sewing the frontal. So right now I'm gonna start on the first bundle. What I always do is I always start where I start the frontal at. I don't know if that made sense, but I never start on the elastic band. I always start above the elastic band and work my way across. Okay guys, so I worked my way around. I'm on the second bundle now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the second bundle right next to where I stopped at around the first bundle. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, yay, we finally made it to the top. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the final piece and just sew it across and cut it and take those pins off this wig so you can see how it look, baby. I love this hair. It's so soft. But like I said, I don't know where my client got it from, and when I find out, I'll let you guys know. But right now, I don't know. So I'm gonna take the pins off. Oh, look at my baby. Hi, baby. Look at my boyfriend in the background cleaning up. But yeah, so this is the wig, guys. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the elastic band. It was kind of hard for me to cut the elastic band because I was trying my best not to cut where I sewed that because the scissors was so bad. But yeah, just cut around it, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So right here, starting to pluck the frontal, because I don't usually pluck my frontal before I do the wig. I wait till I'm done with the wig, then I pluck it. I'm gonna make a plucking video because this one you really can't see that well, but hey, whatever you can get from it, why not? Okay guys, so I'm all done with the wig. Just showing you a little plucking. Like I said, I'm gonna make another plucking video because that one you can't really see. So this is the final look.